Hey, is there a cheat code to learning Word? Surprise, there is. You were not expecting that, right? So, there is actually a single button on Microsoft Word which you may have clicked before, got freaked out, and shut down Word immediately, or unclick the button to get rid of all those symbols. Um, Let me tell you about hidden characters and how you can become Hackerman and see the hidden code of the Matrix inside Microsoft Word. Time to fire up your Microsoft Word. Now, to start hacking, you need to identify which button I'm talking about. Yeah, it's not a big red button and it doesn't say hacker mode, pro mode, or anything suspicious. It's a simple button hidden here, and when you click it, it changes the interface from this to this, and suddenly you see a lot of that character everywhere. No other characters change that much. It's because this is the character for paragraph, where to insert a paragraph break. That's why you notice it the most, but look more closely and you will see, so there is this arrow. This is a list item. We didn't add any arrows. So when we turn it off, we don't see it. So this arrow is actually the sign for a tab. The tab button you press on your keyboard. There are dots between words. That's actually a space. There are dots and triangles beside sentences. These are markup signs. So if it is heading or something else. So as you can see here, there is a page break. Remember in our last video when I created pages? So this is how it was done. Let me reset the zoom. This is how it works. So usually what you do, who is not familiar with page breaks, they would keep pressing enter until text is gone to the next page. So what that does is actually inserting paragraph breaks. And that's why if you add something here, the text keeps going down, right? Even when you are inserting something here, entering paragraph. So that is, as you can see, that is disrupting every page. But let's go ahead and delete this. If you really want your content to go to the next page, but also not being affected by changes in the previous page, you have to press Ctrl plus Enter from your keyboard. And there you have page break. And now, no matter whatever I write here, will not impact the next page. So that's a page break, but what else is there? Okay, I'm inserting a tab. See, when I'm putting it between words, then you start to see that there is a tab being inserted. What usually people do is, if you want to take these brochures to this side, you are going to continuously add spaces, right? This is what you do sometimes to move words in where you want, but that's not how you should do it. And then if you want to move brochures to the right side, just press tab. Alright? And that way, if you want to move this word again at the last, it will start at the same place where you put the other word there. So that's how tabs help you align content and also move them around. There are more symbols that you can learn and identify. We want to have these two texts in two columns. Okay, so let's select it. Then select two columns. Yeah, this is working fine. You want this text over column 2. So what you have to do here is break column and see the column, this text gets added to the next column. Then you're noticing another thing. There's a section break. What's that? So when you create pages with different orientations, different paging styles, this is a section break that you will see. What if we had a table? So the table is supposed to be empty, right? These are actually anchor points for the table. You can enable the same thing in Google Docs as well. So go to View, Show Non-Printing Characters. Good thing they have a shortcut here, and you will start seeing similar symbols in this document as well. I hope this little trick exponentially improves your word formatting skills. I hope you gain new interest on trying on new things. And if you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.